Panama will host the new UN Hub. The aim is to lead the way in terms of carbon neutrality, sustainability, and increased UN integration and effectiveness. For this reason, it has been designed this future UN building. Currently, the United Nations agencies are located on the City of Knowledge, what was the former Clayton U.S. military base, and buildings that were built in the beginning of the 20th century. The new UN Hub will be located in Clayton area. It has been designed to be a unique model of good practices in the implementation of sustainable construction in the Latin American region and at a global level. The building is an element that adapts to the environment that surrounds it to generate a sense of belonging to the place where it is located. The building will be surrounded by green areas. In the front part of the building, an open parking lot will be located with a green pavement which allows the birth of grass and to drain water to the ground. The building consists of 4 blocks joined by a base which anchors the building to the terrain. The basement houses part of the infrastructure that supports the complex, such as parking, machine rooms, main entrance, and an auditorium for 300 people. This basement is distributed in 4 semi-buried levels. Above the base, there is a hall that connects the base and the 4 office blocks. Along this hall, the building services are distributed as a transitional space between the base and offices. The building services located among the hall are restaurant, meeting rooms for up to 450 people, kindergarten, gymnasium, bank, travel agency, and nursing. The agencies are housed in 4 blocks of similar organization among them. Between the 4 blocks and the hall level, gardened areas were designed as pleasant places for rest and recreation of the UN personnel. The roofs of the base and the 4 blocks are used to collect 90% of the rainwater, which will be used in the building. The building has a solar panel photovoltaic PV system in order to generate clean and free energy. The roofs of the 4 buildings are used to place the solar panels. The total production is 643,079 kilowatt hours per year. This energy is used mainly in the building lighting system. The building has a solar protection system to reduce the solar gains and an envelope designed to regulate the thermal behavior of the building. The offices will receive natural daylight and will have direct views to the outdoors. This improves the visual comfort and reduces user eye strain of the employees. Passageways are being placed around the building to facilitate the maintenance of the building. The base of the building is surrounded by a green wall that interacts with the environment. Panama UN Hub, a sustainable building for a sustainable future in Latin America and the Caribbean.